You're watching TelecomTV's exclusive video coverage of the NGMN industry event in Frankfurt. Joining me now is Ping Liang of startup company RF DSP. Ping, thanks for talking to TelecomTV. Tell me, why did you decide to create RF DSP?
We saw this need basically to improve the efficiency by a few orders of magnitude of the spectral efficiency. Not just the spectral efficiency, but the spectral efficiency over space. You talk about throughput. Throughput doesn't matter if it's only for one user, right? You want lots of users to get lots of data. And that is a technical challenge that we have been doing research on. We found that interesting, and we believe we have some unique approaches that can solve that problem. That's where we started the company.
And how is your company participating in the 5G process?
From us, we are a startup. We focus on develop the technology innovations that can provide the benefits, solve the pain points for the carriers. And that's what we focus on. I believe if we have the right technology that solves the problems, the standard process will take care of itself. So as a startup, we may not have the resources to focus on standards. So we focus on technology innovation. If we have the right solution, then people will pick it.
There are so many different ideas of what 5G could and should be. What's your view of 5G?
I think 5G, you need to look at it from an application point of view. What kind of application it will enable? How would that improve people's lives? How would that improve the efficiency, economic scale, all that in the society? But nobody can predict what that's going to be. So as a technologist, we look at what can we provide that will enable new applications, right? So from my perspective, actually, I have been always big on this. We believe, at least I believe, one important aspect of 5G is that nowadays, the network carries data. What I call the next network will carry intelligence. It's not just data anymore. You carry intelligence, which means you have all those big data, cloud computing, application, location awareness. You have all those things together. Those are all components. You combine that with the new development research in learning, which I had some research experience in that aspect. You combine all that, those things suddenly give you a level of intelligence in real time that's available anywhere. That, I think, is going to be a huge difference compared to what the network is enabling now.
Why should the industry be focused on denser network architectures?
Because we don't have enough spectrum. We want to give lots of people lots of data. And to do that, you need to reuse the frequency that you have. And there's two ways to do that. One way is to make the cells smaller and pack many of them together. But that creates a problem because you need lots of backhaul to those small cells. And it creates a lot of interference and lots of handover. So it's not a cost-effective solution. So what NGMN has been emphasized is cost-effective densification. And that's where we come in. We provide a solution that gives people cost-effective densification.
And what results have you discovered from the simulations and work you've done so far?
Yeah, we have done simulation studies, mathematical analysis, but we believe you need to do one step further. You need to build real hardware to do field trials and to prove the concept, to prove the solution. That's what we're working on. We built a massive MIMO system. We actually initially built this for our own use. It's a 512 antenna system that can actually do many, many streams, dense, what we call the dense spatial multiplexing. We was building this for ourselves, but we figured, well, since we're already building this, why not make this available to the community? Anybody who wants to build stuff on top of it will make this platform available for people so they don't have to go build the hardware, they don't have to go build the low-level software. They can just take our platform, then do their own development on top of it. Ultimately, once we get the platform developed, get enough technology verification, and we as a company is actually shrink all that down into chips. So we can provide the chips that are available for people to build low-cost, cost-effective densification network.
Ping Liang, thank you very much.